Good morning, and welcome, and thank you for checking out to a special Polar Vortex edition. It is 7:16 right now, and it is probably, let's check it out real quick. Oh yeah. So we're not letting that stop us for today. And the big message for today is, first of all, this week, it was huge. Plenty of different variety of stocks were having their quarterlies. Between Apple, to Alibaba from China, to, Amazon comes out, Tesla for tomorrow. I believe Amazon is tomorrow as well. Yeah, the 31st after hours. So we're thinking, this week is supposed to be soaring. The Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P is going to be booming. And let's see. Let's check it out. Right now, that's volatile as fuck. From yesterday itself, I was down a decent amount, and today was a big day. Why I'm making this video, because I wanted to double down on Boeing, and I should have, and I wanted to. I have 6 shares, and realistically, I wanted to do more with it, but for myself, I did not want to put more money into the stock market right now. It was just, I don't know, I just did not want to see myself lose hard. But I should have won my gut to Boeing. It destroyed, they had their after hours yesterday, well, this morning, and it beat its expectations for revenue. It beat its quarterly results. And frankly, everyone predicted this. Everyone's seen this coming. And Boeing being one of the top 3 movers on the Dow Jones, it's going back to its primitive stage. When I got into Boeing, it was at 100. The one that I bought, that I still haven't made money yet. So which is why I do not want to sell Boeing yet. But I would if it surpasses 392.84. Honestly, as much as it's gonna hurt me to rebuy this stock, because I like the company. I like the CEOs. Their fucking company is wanting and getting calls and getting requests for planes, private planes. That 737. The reopening of the government. Their contracts are coming back again, so that equals more revenue. So I'm in a pickle right now. For myself, I would, if it does pass that 395 mark, which honestly, I don't know, because I mean, after hours, up $20. If it does pass that 392, I think I'm just gonna sell it. Take the cash that I got for revenue, which would be about an equity of almost, 2,300, which is nice. And then I might do something really risky. So tomorrow, Tesla's numbers come out. They're up $2.31 right now. If I could just snag that before the $300 mark, which would be nice. I mean, if I got a little bit over 300, and usually their numbers are around their highest peak, 320, 362, 370 in about December. They have some big stuff coming up. they have to pay their 209, I think, million, 920 million debt that's due on March 1st, which they are relying heavily on this quarter to bring up their numbers for stock so that they can get that accomplished. They get that accomplished. Okay, you know how it fucking is. You pay off some fucking debt, you feel great as hell, right? Imagine Tesla, a huge company, which I believe in. I would personally own a Tesla if I could. But right now I'm too young for it. I think it would be a horrible financial decision. Especially that I live in Wisconsin. Motherfucking 140 degrees out there. Look, check it out, guys. Polar vortex right there for you. And that's what I'm iffing around. I want to get rid of actually a couple stocks. Today, Alibaba, which is a Chinese e-commerce, basically the same. Think about it. Excuse me. It's basically a Amazon for China. They had the results posted as well as today. They beat their expectation, actual EPS. But like it's been saying right there, Reuters 48 minutes ago, Alibaba revenue grows at the weakest pace in 3 years as China's slowing China bites. So the thing I was worried about Boeing, and this is going to highlight with Alibaba, is their economy is slowing down. Different variations, but honestly, it's not scary for us yet. If it does, I mean, we could see an epidemic happen in China. And actually, for information, this year is expected that China moves from its number one position in population that I honestly, that's been my whole life, 23 years, and they're going to move to second place under India. So that's pretty good. I mean, that was interesting when I found that out, but that doesn't really explain their economic struggles right now. So, I mean, Alibaba has the potential, just like Amazon, to soar up. But realistically, I mean, I really don't want to hold on to. I mean, I'm fucking big into America, its companies and stuff like that. But I mean, if Alibaba's not showing the numbers, if their economy's struggling, and I'm not gonna support this motherfucking country, so I'm gonna bite the bullet on Alibaba as well. Another one I did want to take the bullet for is Intel. I like in my previous one with Starbucks, you know why I'm kind of sad on it. Not disappointed in it. Well, not sad, and disappointed in it, in the stock. And I think I want to cut my loss for Intel as well. I know that I'm saying this as regards of I'm not yet doing it, but I'm contemplating. I'm letting myself not get too emotional to it. Once you start getting emotional to your stocks, you start losing money. And then lastly, Apple had their numbers reported. They beat their actual EPS by 1 cent. I mean, I didn't look into any more information about Apple. Apple faces a lawsuit over FaceTime bug after lawyer claims someone spied on a deposition. We never liked that shit. And I'm actually going to check this stuff. Apple stock surged to add nearly 60 points to now's their price. Anyways, I'm going to let myself read these articles to start to get a better understanding of what I really truly want to do with my money for today. I know I want to do a big play. I know I don't want to put money into into my account right now. I want to fuck with what I got. So, and kind of like I said, I told you what I want to do. Big stuff is happening this week. We got Tesla coming out tomorrow. We got Amazon coming out tomorrow. I mean, I could take the risk and go back to Amazon. Amazon's at $1,613. Not even a year ago, it was around $2,000, a $400 plus. So if I think about it, a $400 plus. If I only could buy one stock. I'll have 3 shares. The average cost will go down for myself, but I'm already down $476. I like the company. Jeff Bezos had an interesting year so far. I mean, I expect that they're going to destroy their numbers. And honestly, buying it is less volatile than buying Tesla. Yes, I won't make as much money, but I know for a fact that if I buy it tomorrow, that I will gain money. So I'm in a predicament. If you guys do go on the market, I want you guys to tell me, what do I do? Sell off Boeing, number 1. Predicament. Buy Amazon with the revenue, or 3, buy a couple Tesla stocks. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I could do both, but we'll see. Thank you for tuning in for today's Vortex episode. We're looking almost negative 50 degrees right now at 7:30. We got one more hour till the stock market opens for this Friday day. Everyone stay warm out there in Wisconsin. If you gotta do what you gotta do outside, like take your dog and use the bathroom, let it be quick. If you need to work out, make there safely. And like I said before, stay warm out there. Thank you for tuning in. Big stuff happening this week for the stock market. Make sure that you are getting you making wise choices as well. Let's get this bread together. You guys have a good day.